Good morning everybody, and this is your S&P 500 day trade setups for today. So we've broken out of this consolidation area quite aggressively, and I think the important part was that we had a daily and weekly close above 4,200. So 4,200, which we've been flirting with for the last month, gave away on Friday, and that just opens up the area to the next targets, the upside. And the first one that I'm looking for is 42.89, then 4,300, and then ultimately, more than likely, 4,400 is the next level to the upside. So if we start drilling down through the time frames, you can see a clear break, new all-time high, and it does look like a bit of a flag forming with oscillators grouped to the upside. And if I just show you what I'm talking about, there's the bottom end. There's one there, which is basically a megaphone formation, but I'm more interested in this one here, which is a bit of a bear flag. So if we do break the structure, you're looking for pullbacks. First area is going to be 4,200, obviously, and second area is going to be all the way down in this area here. And you can see, look at the resistance and support that was found here, and that is 41.77. So those are the two areas that I suspect would work out, and then that would give us a channel pulling back into the structure. So not too sure that that's going to happen today. I think this gap, weekly gap, is probably the first opportunity to close, and after that, if it does pull back, this area here would be the first one that I'd look with. 42.18, then 4,200 would be the areas to buy into. So at the moment, we are clearly on a one-way traffic, which is to the upside. So pullbacks are to be bought, and probably on the 15-minute as well is the right way to do this. So in saying that, this gap, I mean, it's not that far away. There it is there. 60 points, so it's not that far away. I'd wait for the gap, have a look at the oscillators on the 15-minute at the moment. So I do believe pullback on structure is going to be an opportunity to buy. Watch out for this gap down here. Okay, there's a little gap there, and that brings 42.18 into play. But I do think this consolidation going into close is going to offer some support. Simple logic behind it is that we broke, big move, and there was no profit taking on this on the jobs number. So the data that came out on Friday, which was horrendous, but obviously that impacts the dollar, and weak dollar impacts the market. So the market goes up, and that's pretty much what happened. So I don't see that steam running out just yet. Buyers are still in the market. They got in Thursday and Friday. They got into this market, and they have not exited yet. So they've just added their position, added more to their position there, and now they're still holding. So that's kind of the structure that I can see. So obviously you want to see pullbacks onto these tails, but this gap is the most important one. That's the area I'm waiting for. 42.34. If that gives way, then definitely waiting down here at 42.18 and ultimately 4,200 for an opportunity to buy into this. Yeah, that's it for me on the S&P 500. Hope it helps, and buy the dips, I suppose, is a message for today. Hope it helps. We'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.